Welcome to my channel. I'm Davy Killian, and today I'm going to deep clean my kitchen. It is a new year and time to have a fresh start. So come along with me as I get scrubbing. If you're like me, you like to watch cleaning and organizing videos, especially during the new year, so I thought I would share my deep cleaning kitchen video with you. So I hope you enjoy and feel motivated to deep clean your kitchen today. This is where it is disgusting. So much grease back there. So I'm gonna move this stuff, try to get that tile clean, and see what works. I'm gonna try this descaler by Norwex. So that has worked in the tub with tile. So we'll see if it works here. Ended up using this descaler on everything. It was getting the grease and grime off of my stove, and I even ended up cleaning my knobs, and it took just like 30 seconds to wipe them down because the grease came right off. Up using an SOS pad to get my grease spots off of the stove door, oven door, and that seemed to work pretty well. So I suggest that, as you can tell, you can see through the oven door pretty well. Now it's time to clean the baseboards. This is sometimes a very overlooked part of cleaning that people do. So I'm gonna take some time to just wipe down the baseboards. I painted them this summer, so it's been about 6 months since I'm really cleaned them. But I don't have a lot in here, but I am gonna get to work on that with a rag and my Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner. I ended up seeing that I had dirt and grime on the cupboard door, so I thought I might as well use the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaner on that as well. Now it's time to clean the top of the fridge. I haven't touched this or dusted it in about 4 months. Had to leave this clip in here. My husband was thoughtful and gave me a kiss while I was cleaning, but in doing so, he stepped in my dirt pile. It's time to clean the floor, and I'm going to use this Method Squirt and Mop. However, I do not have a mop, so I will be on my hands and knees. Hopefully, I'll get one for Christmas because I asked my parents, but we will see. So I'm gonna do it the hard way. I'm so happy, I cannot mesmerize. and use a towel and just dry it so it doesn't use grease. I believe it's getting close to the end of my video, and I finished up the floor and dried it and called it a day. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I would love to have you subscribe to Davy Killian to my channel. With that, I hope you have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye.